understand the different charges you might have to pay while applying for an IPO with an intermediary, including the brokerage and taxation charges imposed when you sell said IPO shares. Private corporations are often required to raise capital to keep their operations running smoothly. To do so, corporations can issue an offer of their shares to the public. Once such an offer is made, the public can bid and own a stake in the company, turning it from a private to a public entity. You would think that since you are getting an opportunity to bid for an IPO, that you would be required to pay heavy fees. However, most intermediaries levy no charges on individuals applying for an IPO. You are not required to pay fees and will not be charged with taxes or any other additional costs. While most intermediaries allow you to apply for an IPO without any cost, you will be charged with the specified fees when you sell those shares. You will be charged the appropriate brokerage along with the required taxes. The amounts levied for the two will be in accordance with the charges levied when you sell any other shares bought directly from the stock market. The different charges levied when you sell the shares bought through an IPO are as follows. Securities Transaction Tax (STT). STT is a direct tax levied when you buy or sell securities listed on the recognized stock exchanges in India. Short-term capital gain tax (STCG). It is a tax levied on capital gains, which are profits gained when you sell capital assets from the sale of an asset held for a short period. SEBI Charge. It is a charge levied by SEBI for carrying out its duties of regulating and monitoring the market. Brokerage is the charge levied by the intermediaries that facilitate the sale of shares as fees for carrying out their duties. Stamp duty. This tax is levied upon the sale of shares by the state government. However, this charge is generally paid by the buyer of the shares. Goods and Services Tax (GST). This tax is levied by the intermediary upon the brokerage charged as per the law.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.